We're going to go ahead and replace our door seal. It's located right on the inside of the door, starts at the bottom by the sill plate, goes all the way around the cab, and it comes back down and meets back at the bottom here. I'm going to start by removing the 4 screws holding your door sill plate. Now our door seal goes up underneath our plastic interior trim here. We're going to use a trim tool right here. I'm just going to get underneath and we're going to go ahead and start popping out some of the trim here. Once we have that off, let's go ahead and remove our forward trim right here. And then we'll go ahead and come to the back side here and peel off the back trim. Just going to run our trim tool through here. With that trim peeled back a little bit, let's go ahead and grab the seal at the base, split it apart, and we can go ahead and start pulling this out. Just going to work our way around the perimeter. Use your trim tool to assist you in making a little bit more room here. We're just going to clean up the area where our new replacement seal is going to be placed. Go all the way around the perimeter. The seal, and you want to see where the door seam is going to fit into. You want the gasket to be facing outward. So we're basically going to start in the general area where our original seal was. I think it'll be right around the middle here. You're going to slowly work your way around the perimeter, pressing it in, and working it like this. Now this seal is a pressure fit. You do not need to put any sort of gasket sealer or adhesive on this here. Now I'm going to use a brand new blade here. You want to be super careful of this here. And you also don't want to cut the gasket too short. So what I'm going to do is line this up. Now I'm going to cut probably about 1/4 to 1/2 inch longer. I basically install the front side, and then I press the seal down. Gives it a nice tight seal there. Make sure your seal is down all the way around. Let's go ahead and install all of our trim. Go ahead and pop our plastic trim back over here. On our A-pillar up here, there's going to be 2 metal clips. Now chances are when you remove the plastic, the metal clips stayed attached to the body of the truck. I'm just using a pick and I'm pulling these clips off. There's one here and there's one up top. Once we get these off, we're going to transfer them over to the plastic trim. And that'll help us install this a little bit easier. I'm going to transfer over our clips and basically press on like so. There's one there, one here. When we install this here, it's going to press onto the trim up top or onto the pinch weld area. Line this up. It's going to feed down inside. Line these clips up. Pop that in. There you have it. And what I'm going to do is just get these screws started, a couple threads. And then we'll go ahead and snug them all down once we have those started. We'll go ahead and just snug those down, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.